Hello everyone, I am Ashraful Islam. Today I will talk about my profile in a online judge. This is a light OJ. You are seeing that there is a three card. If I click the card practice problems, this will redirect the categories pages. And you are seeing that there is many kinds of categories. Demic was one of them. If I click at the card, this will redirect the Demic was problem pages. This is me, Ashraful Islam, and all of the problem is here. To solve all of the problems, I am using a C++ language. To solve 52 problems, I had to submit it 89 times. And also you are seeing that here is a progressive part. If I explain the part shortly, here is a three categories. First one is a correct answer, second one is a wrong answer, and third one is time limit exceeded. Correct answer progress is 69.7%. If I hover the part, the accepted quantity problem is 62, and the second one is 18.0%. If I hover the part, the wrong answer quantity is 16, and then 12.4% is time limit exceeded progress. If I hover the part, the quantity is showing that 11. Thank you so much to see the whole video and with me.